Hello guys, today I'll be talking about how to earn money online. So the first step is do not forget to subscribe to my channel YouTube, and let's get started. So today I'll be talking about Viv Ads. Yes, this website you can collect $200 for every 10,000 visitor in this website. Very easy. So let's get started. So this is my website. Click here, find the link below this video. Just click here. Okay, and click here and enter your information: username, email, first name, last name, country. Found is very simple, and click here and submit. I am registered in this website, so like this. Short link, for example, look here. This website, visitor from Indonesia and Iran, India, Japan, and Brazil. Withdraw in this website. The minimum of the withdraw is $5. Is very simple, and CPM of country is look this, all country. You can earn more money in this website. Just work in this website. You can earn $200 per 10,000 views. You can get more, يعني كثير والكثير. So see you later in next video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel YouTube, and see you later.